So this is my new build. ASRock Extreme 4, a Core i5, 3570K, 8 gigs of RAM, G.Skill, Ripjaws, and Arctic Silver 5. That's going to replace my old Core 2 Duo E6600 and 680i motherboard. Take a look at the RAM. DDR3 1600. Case badge. This is the RAM. Compare that to my old DDR2 800. Heat sinks aren't as big. That's not a matter. So look at the CPU. The heat sink, this is really small. I had thermal paste on it. I'm gonna wipe that off. Put some AS5 in there. It's a really small heat sink. That's it. Just taking a look at the ASRock Z77 Extreme 4. What we have in here? The SATA cables. And it's got the right angle SATA cable. SLI. Manuals. Back plate. Color coded. Nice foam, nice black color, very nice. Foam doesn't go all the way good. Very nice. This gold capacitors. It's nice. Okay. So I finished installing it to my motherboard tray. Found out it's an inch shorter than my old one. About an inch shorter. See comparisons. And also rounded corners compared with sharp ones from my old one. Okay. So here it is, up and running. My GeForce 660 Ti. Pretty good. Runs pretty smooth.